Hi friends, this is day 11, chapter Polynomials for 10th RBS students. First of all, put your attendance, write comment box, yes sir, then we will continue our class. And as we know that today we will complete this exercise which is 3.6. Let's start now. So yesterday first question is done. Now second question, find the HCF. So I am going to take second question of it. Find the HCF. HCF of the following. Question 1. A cube b raised to 4 ab raised to 5 a square b raised to 8. So HCF means highest common factor. So if I write this, so HCF of these is so simple. We have to recognize only a minimum power of A. So A raised to minimum power multiplied by B raised to minimum power. So there is A square, there is single A, and there is A cube. It means there is only A raised to 1. And there is B raised to 4, B raised to 5 and B raised to 8, so B raised to 4. So finally HCF is AB raised to 4. That is the answer. Similarly in second part, there is given 16x square y square and 48x raised to 4 and z. So we can see if we are finding highest common factor, so first of all factorize factors of 16x square y square. So here factors we can write like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 x square and y square, and factors of 48x raised to 4z. This is 2 is 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16, 3 are 48, and x raised to 4, so x into x into x into x 4 times, and then z. So HCF of them 2 will be common, this 2 also, this 2 and this 2. So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then x this much, y is not there, that's why x into x. So finally we get 16x square. This is highest common factor. Please write it down, then we will take next few parts. So just we have to find out minimum power and must be common. So next part I am taking, I am erasing these. Its third part. X square minus 7x plus 12, x square minus 10x plus 21. Next, x square plus 2x minus 15. If we factorize this, so there is 4 3s are 12. So its factors are minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. X is common, so x minus 4. 3 is common, so x minus 4. And finally we got these are the factors. And TS method we applied and we got this. Similarly, x square minus 10x plus 21. So 21, it means 7 3s are. So on the place of 10, I will write 7 plus 3. Like this. Now we can take common x. So x minus 7. And if we take minus 3, so x minus 7 is left. So I got x minus 7 and x minus 3. Next is x square plus 2x minus 15. It can be taken 5 3s are. 5 minus 3 will be 2. So x square plus 5 minus 3 into x minus 15. X square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Here will be x common, so x plus 5 is left. There is 3 common negatives, so x plus 5 is left. And we got x plus 5 and x minus 3. Let's find out the HCF. Highest common factor is, if we observe, there is x minus 3 and x minus 3. So it will be included in this. Now x minus 4 is there, but this side, and there is not possible. That's why we can't take. It must be common for all. So nothing is different, so we can't write anything. And this much only, which is the common part for all, so that is called HCF. Similarly, its fourth part I am taking now. Fourth part. There is written x plus 3 whole square, x minus 2 and x minus 3, sorry, x plus 3 and x minus 2 whole square. So no need to factorize, because we can observe we have to find out only minimum power. So x plus 3 is common for both, so minimum power will be right, and x minus 2, so its minimum power also we will write. So it is 2 and this is 1, so only 1 we will write, and this is 1 and this is 2, so we will write 1. So finally HCF is x plus 3 into x minus 2. This much is answer of fourth part. Please write it down, then I will erase everything and we will take its fifth part now. Okay, I am erasing now. Its fifth part, 24 into 6x raised to 4 minus x cube minus 2x square and 20 into 6x raised to 6 plus 5x raised to 5 and x raised to 4. There's 20 also and 24. Factors of 24, 6x raised to 4, x cube and minus 2x. If we write, so first factor is 2 to the 4 to the 6, 8 and 8 3 is 24, and next raised to 2 we can take common, so there is 6x square minus x and minus 2 is left. So it is 1, 2, 3, 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 1, x square, and if you factorize this, so 6 2 are 12, we need 4 3 are 12. First we need 4 minus 3, there will be 1. So it can be written in this term, 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2. So 2 raised to 3, 3 into x square. There we can take common 2x. So 3x minus 2 is left, plus 1 we can take common. So we get 3x minus 2. Now finally we got factors of this, which is this. These are the factors. Now next part, factors of 26x is to 6 plus 5 is to this, and there will be x is to 4. So 20 can be written 2 into 2 into 5, and x is to 4 I will take common. So whatever is left, that is 6x square plus 5x plus 1. As we know that we need 6 ones are 3 2s are 6. So 2 raised to 2, 5 and x raised to 4, and directly I am writing this 6x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 1. Here 2 square into 5 into x raised to 4, and this side I will take 3x common, so I will get 2x plus 1, and here 1 I take common, so 2x plus 1, and all the brackets 2 raised to 2 into 5 into x raised to 4 into 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 1. Now we are finding HCF of them. So let's find out the minimum power. So 2 raised to 3 and 2 raised to 2. So first one will be 2 raised to 2. There is 3 raised to 1 and 3 is not there, that will leave. 3 we can't write, 5 we can't write. X square and x raised to 4. So I will write x raised to 4. There is 3x minus 2 we don't have, but 2x plus 1 is left, so that will be written. So finally HCF is 2 raised to 2, it means 4, x raised to 4, 2x plus 1. This much is answer, please write it. Now I'll take question number 3. I am erasing everything. It was question number 2. Now I am taking question number 3. If ux equals to x minus 1 whole square and vx equals to x square minus 1. So verify LCM into HCF equals to ux into vx. So I will write first of all HCF of them. So we can understand it can be written x plus 1, x minus 1. So there is the minimum power which is x minus 1. So LCF is this. If we find LCM, So highest power is this x minus 1 square, and there is x plus 1. So it will be the HCF. Let's verify. HCF into LCM. So x minus 1 square, x plus 1, and it will be x square minus 1 because of identity a plus b, a minus b, and this is x minus 1 whole square, and ux into vx is x minus 1 whole square, and vx is x square minus 1. So RHS from equation 1 and 2 we get LCM into HCF equals to ux into vx. Hence prove. Please write it down. This verification is done now. Now I'm gonna erase. Let's erase this, and fourth question we will take now. Question number 4. The product of two expressions is given if their highest common factor is x plus 6. So then find the least common multiple. Question 4. Product of two expressions is x minus 7 x square plus 8x plus 12. And there is given HCF is x plus 6. Our verification formula is LCM we are finding. So LCM into HCF equals to product of two expressions. So we can find out LCM by using this formula. Product of both divided by HCF. So x minus 7 x square plus 8x plus 12. 6 2s are raised 12. If we factorize this, so x minus 7 and their factors will be x square plus 6x plus 2x plus 12. If we take common, so x is common, so x plus 6 is left. 2 is common, so x plus 6 is left. So finally we got factors x plus 7, x plus 6 and x plus 2 divided by x plus 6. Both are cancelled and we get x plus 7 and x plus 2. So finally we got LCM, which is x plus 7 and x plus 2. Please write it down, then we will take last question of this exercise. Do it fast. Now I am erasing. Let's start. Last question of this exercise, this chapter. If HCF and LCM of two quadratic expressions are given, then find both expressions. So this time we have LCM and HCF. So as you know that LCM already contains HCF. So we will remove this first of all. Then we will get a particular expression that will be left, and then we will find out both expressions. So I'll take first of all A and B. These are the product of zeros, and then one by one we will find out. Let's do it. I'm writing first of all. There's given HCF is x minus 5, LCM is x cube minus 19x minus 30. Let me check this is cube or not, because maybe some problems. So if it is not cube, so we have to solve by a different method. If there is cube, so we will apply a different kind of solutions. Now we will apply factorization. Let putting x equals to positive 1. So if we put 1, so there will be 1 cube minus 19 into 1 minus 30. 1 minus 19 and minus 30. 1 minus, there is a 49 and this is not equals to 0. Then put in x equals to 2, negative 1. If we put minus 1, so we get minus 1 cube minus 90 into minus 1 and 30. So we will get minus 1 plus 19 and minus 30. So there will be 19 and minus 31, which is also not equals to 0. Then putting x equals to 2. If we put 2, so 2 cube minus 19 into 2 minus 30. 2 cube is 8. 19 to the 38 and 30. So there will be 8 and this is 68, which is also not equals to 0. So by putting x equals to minus 2, if we put minus 2, so there will be minus 2 cube, 19 into minus 2 and then 30. So 2 cube is 8 but negative. It will be positive 38 and this is minus 30 and it will be 0. If it is 0, so we can say this will be the factor of LCM. Let's divide the LCM by factor, which is x cube minus 19x minus 30. We will divide by 2. If we divide by x, so there will be x square. So it is x cube and 2x square we will get positive. If we subtract, it is cancelled. This negative 2x square we will write and 19x afterwards. If we divide this, so we will get 2x. So 2x into this in 2x square and 2 to the 4x. If we subtract, it is cancelled. There will be 15x negative and 30. If we divide this by x, so minus 15 we will get, and minus 15x and minus 30. Sign change, everything is cancelled and we get remainder 0. So we can say x square minus 2x and minus 15 can be factorized by MTS, which is 3 5 are. So finally we get, if I take x common, so x minus 5, and if I take 3 common, so x minus 5. So factors are these are the factors, and now we will find out common factor is x minus 5. Yes, because in HCF is x minus 5 and LCM is also now. So our LCM is x minus 5, x plus 3 and x plus 2. 3 factors are there. Now we have to find out 2 expressions. So I am erasing, then 2 more expressions we are finding, which we are asking. So first expression, in which x minus 5 will be common, and another one x plus 3, which is not given in HCF. So it is first expression that can be written, x into x is x square, x into 3 is positive 3x minus 5x and 15. So finally I got x square minus 2x minus 15. This is first expression. Now second expression, which is x minus 5 is common in that, and rest is x plus 2. If we multiply, so x square, and there will be 2x minus 5x, and there will be 10 negative. So x square minus 3x minus 10. These are the expressions which we were asking. Please write it down. This much is the question. X square minus 3x minus 10 and x square minus 2x minus 15. So this one was polynomial chapter. We completed this chapter, and we can understand if miscellaneous also can be done if we have completed a whole chapter. So miscellaneous you can do yourself, and we are arranging now online classes also. So about this, if you want to join the classes, so you can contact Vyas classes. Otherwise you can write in this comment you want to join the online live classes. So we will contact you back and we will tell you how to proceed to join the classes. And if you like this video, so press the like button, and if you want to share, so also you can share to your friends also, your classmates. And this chapter we have completed. So this was a very, very important question in our we can say board exams also. So now whatever we will we can say whatever we did, that is also included in miscellaneous exercise also. So find out the problems and do your best to get the answers in miscellaneous. Okay, so thank you. This much was the chapter 3, and thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.